Karimbingal, welcome to the show.
Thank you, Mr.
Thank you so
Murali.
much. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thanks for sparing your valuable time. So I just wanted to ask you how the new R&D facility uh, will support India operations and also the global operations.
Yeah, so we have we are expanding our R&D footprint in India. We have been now in the country for more than 20 years, and over the years we have evolved into becoming a full-fledged manufacturing and development center, not only for the Indian market but also for the global market. So the R&D center and the testing and validation center that we are inaugurating today is not only to support our growth expansions in the local market, but it is also to support the expectations of our global market. So the products that we design, develop and release here would also travel across Asia, across Europe and also to North America for specific applications. But more importantly, obviously for being in India, important consideration is to provide upfront solutions, technology and product validation for the local market, working with OEMs both domestic and global, and develop technologies to adapt to the local requirements in the country. So that's the core purpose of establishing this development center.
Very interesting. So this is the largest outside Germany,
Yes.
right? So do you see this center becoming a center of excellence for any particular technology or any other element of this complete filtration ecosystem?
Right, it is already at the center of excellence. So MANN+HUMMEL India is well integrated into the global R&D network, and in some of the cases we even take the lead in designing and developing products for applications around the globe. So in that sense we have the capability already in place in order to design and develop. What this test center does, of course, in addition, is to help us even release the products which are designed and developed for the local market, and validate the products also for the global applications.
Okay. Okay. So that means one product, multiple applications in multiple markets.
Multiple parts of the globe,
Yeah?
absolutely.
Yeah, very interesting to know. You have also announced the third facility for MANN+HUMMEL.
In
That's
Pune.
in Pune. What are the compelling reasons for going to
Another
for
location,
investing in
another
a new
location, right? So we are, as you see, India as a geography, it is very, very spread out, right? And then if you look at our customer portfolio, you have customers in the southern part of India, we have customers on the western side of India, then we have a set of customers on the northern side of India. And the customers in south is very well serviced by our footprint here in Tumkur, and customers down north is very well supported by our footprint in Bawal. So when we looked at the expansion plans for our business growth in India, we found that if we have a footprint in Pune, it would help us to become more competitive, both in terms of logistics and also to be closer to the customers that we are servicing on that western side of India. So a footprint in Pune therefore was essential, looking at our growth prospects for the next 3 to 5 years.
That's interesting. That will also help you reduce the logistics time and also easy serviceability, enhance easy serviceability.
Yes, absolutely.
To pay attention.
And our products are quite voluminous. If you look at the filtration product, they are not very logistics friendly, right?
Yeah.
And we
It's only
need
air
to,
that you carry now.
we have to ship air essentially. When you're looking at, for example, shipping from Tumkur to a customer in Pune or in Mumbai, especially for a large commercial vehicle filtration system, it is shipping air. So if you are able to find a footprint or establish a footprint in Pune and service the customers who are around Pune, Mumbai region, even Indore, for example. From our footprint in Pune, that brings down the logistics cost significantly, and we can become much more competitive than what we are today.
Have you identified some sweet spots with the new facility, you need to feed the facility, correct? So have you identified any sweet spots in the existing customer base? And also, have you identified new customers so that no, you can cater to the
multiple.
feed the plant?
Right. So the test center is not dedicated for any specific business unit. As you know, we operate into multiple sectors. As we say, we provide cleaner mobility, cleaner industry, cleaner air, and cleaner water. So we are across all spectrum of filtration industry. And the facility that we have now established in Pune or in Tumkur, the R&D and Development Technology and Innovation Center, can test release products across these segments. So we are able to develop filtration products for heavy duty and commercial vehicle application. We can develop and release products for off-road applications. We can develop and release products for passenger car applications. We can even do development for electric mobility, and therefore it caters to the wide spectrum of filtration needs for the market. And what it does definitely help in is reducing significantly the lead time for development, right? So, as I said, we are looking to expand the business very aggressively. We are looking at a double-digit growth in the Indian market for the next 3 to 5 years. And if we have to participate in this market growth and even outgrow the market in most cases, we should be in a position to bring new technologies to the market and adapt our core technology for specific applications in India, and that is what this lab enables us to do.
Okay. Which are the segments you cater to? Passenger cars, I'm sure you're doing it.
We are very significantly present in the commercial vehicle space, heavy duty commercial vehicle space. We are very active on the off-road side, construction equipments, agricultural equipments, and we are also very active on the industrial side, which involves manufacturing segment. For example, we supply to various compressor manufacturers, industrial filtration solutions for various applications. So those are the different segments that we are catering, and in addition, we are also very active now with our life science and environment products, which means we develop products for public air solutions. We develop products for water purification. We develop membrane solutions for water treatment, the wastewater treatments. So all these products, we would now be in a position to test, release, and productionize in India.
Air and water everywhere, but just they're not clean. So that's the
opportunity for us. That's an opportunity for us.
So give me a little bit about the plan details. You are investing about 100 crores now put together.
Yeah, between the R&D lab here in Tumkur and the Pune facility, the total investment is in excess of 100 crores. And the Pune facility should be in a range of 100,000 square feet, which should be sufficient for us to cater to the expected demands from customers from now till 2033. So that's the horizon we are looking at in terms of capacity build up for the new plant.
When will it start commercial production?
We are just in this process of building, specifying the building specifications and working with our partners. So our target is to bring this to life by end of Q3 2027.
Already, I think MANN+HUMMEL in India has about 1,200 people working. So for the R&D and for the Pune plant, how many people you will be?
So between the two locations, we are expecting to increase the headcount between 300 to 400 by 2027 end.
Okay. Okay. So you will start the process now?
We are already in the process of identifying the talents. Yeah.
Thank you, Mr. Karimbingal, for the
Thank you very much. I appreciate your time.
Yeah, I enjoyed talking to you. Thanks so much.
My pleasure.